Right now we're still in Miami, but we're not gonna be in this Airbnb much longer.
Most people, they aren't prepared. They're not prepared to take a loss. They're not prepared to take a W. They're not prepared to go into the trading week. In my opinion, there's a lot of reason for price to have this reaction. The only thing missing from price coming back to this area will be time.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Right now, it's like 10:30 in the morning. I just got done editing and recording the first video of the day. So more than likely, this is the vlog that's coming out at nighttime. I already saw the video from earlier in the day. So let me know how you like that video. We still got the daily vlogs nonetheless. And right now, we're still in Miami, but we're not gonna be in this Airbnb much long. We're only gonna be in this Airbnb for probably like 40 more minutes. And then we're gonna be leaving. We got a little like grace period from when we can go to the next Airbnb. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We gotta get dog food. Well, we're already packed. We're just chilling, getting ready to dip. I've been up for a while. I might be starting this vlog at 10 a.m., but I've been up since 7 a.m. just doing all the stuff, getting everything else edited. We cleaned up inside, got everything packed now. We're gonna see what happens today. It should be a chill vlog, smooth vlog, but we'll see where we end up.
When it comes to this week, I'm about to just overall go over what my expectations are going to be for the week. I'll probably go over a few trades that would have been ideal from last week. Just overall, the main purpose of these sessions is to get prepared for the week. The main thing that we need to understand as traders is being prepared is just being ahead of the game. Most people, they aren't prepared. They're not prepared to take a loss. They're not prepared to take a W. They're not prepared to go into the trading week. They're not prepared. Now, what does it take to be prepared? Understanding where we are on the charts, getting your mind right. There's a reason why you shouldn't be on the weekend chart. You got to have that little round where you take a little break. That is going to definitely give you that mental clarity. It's going to allow you to forget about last week's potential losses that you took, potential wins, because if you won all last week, the chance of you being overconfident and too cocky this week is more likely. If you lost last week, the chance of you being less confident this week is more likely. So this is always about being prepared, coming to the charts with a fresh mind, is understanding that every day is a new day, every day is a new opportunity, and the market is going to continue to give opportunities. That's just what the market always going to do. The dollar still looks like it has room to reach for this level. So off my first glance, my bias is going to be bullish on the indexes until we can at least run this low. The previous week's high, this isn't even a day, previous week's high is going to be the area that price reaches for, especially if we come back to over here. If I get rid of all my drawings, look at it on this perspective, we still have this low that dollar needs to target, and we also, if we were going to reach lower, we have this low. So there's two lows that price could potentially be reaching for when it comes to liquidity. To kind of give myself a better idea, let's pull a fib from this low to the current high that it is, but I'm also keeping in mind that when the market opens, it could easily just keep pushing higher, and then I'll just have to redo my fib. But based off of what I have right now, if I pull a fib from this low to that high and look at the 50% is also in this area with the weekly gap. So in my opinion, there's a lot of reason for price to have this reaction. The only thing missing from price coming back to this area will be time.
While we wait to go into the Airbnb, we're just waiting right now, feeding the dogs by the water. We're we're 2 minutes from the Airbnb. This is gonna be where I walk these dogs. Look at these apartments, crazy. I know these are expensive. Like this just out here, this pool and the gym right here overlooking the water. I know it's expensive. All right, we just got to the new Airbnb, about to do a little MTV tours. This one's a little different. I'm looking at something that's very different right now. You'll see in a second, but let's just start off from the beginning. All right, so we got the front door locked in and everything. You come over, first thing you see, you got the washer and dryer over here. Got Luna. You come into the kitchen, smooth little kitchen. They got stuff for us to cook. This is purple. Okay, interesting. Then you got the living, like the little island. You got a table over here with some closets, a refrigerator. What's over here? This is bedroom number one. Boom. Bedroom number one. Got a view. I'll show the view and everything later. This is small over here, but you know, it works. Boom. You got a bathroom. Smooth little bathroom. Nothing crazy. You got a view of the water. Can't see it right now. But then you got the bedroom. This is the master. We got another shower in here. View of the water out there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It looks like another. The other bed I think was bigger. This one looks like a. No matter of fact, this might be a king too. They both look like king. We got chairs out there. You know what I'm saying? The outside. And then this is where it all gets a little different. Before I show you it, let me show you this view over here. Boom. Got a little water view. Come over here. You got a little view from this room also. Out here, you can see beautiful Edgewater, Miami. Over here, you can see the water right over there. Boom. And now, for the one thing that's a little bit different, we come outside and we got this balcony. We got this balcony with this paint. Not sure what he is. He looked like an alien. He looked like something from Among Us. We got this grass area over here. We got this one. This is a little cool alien. And now we go up here. Now we go up. Look, we got 2 floors. Look, another one. Another little alien. Then you come up and boom. Got a rooftop terrace. Penthouse vibes. And then we got a view of the water and everything over here. This is where we're going to be trading everything. 100% we're going to be trading up here, working up here, push-ups up here, burpees up here. And then you go over here and it's like, we saw this earlier. You get like access to this whole area. And then after you get access to this, you got elevators. Nova, what you doing? Yeah, there's elevators over here. So yeah, this is the view up here. Beautiful view. Beautiful view. And then over here. All right, right now I just got done doing some crazy burpees on the balcony. I might put the clip in there. I might not. Right now, we're about to chill in the Airbnb because we've been moving around all day. I lie to you not, I've been driving all day. I've been moving around all day. I've been up since 7 a.m. just working. And right now it's probably like 6, 7 o'clock. So right now, I'm about to chill. I'm gonna play Warzone for like an hour and I'm gonna then go out to get something to eat. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this Miami traffic is some bullshit. Some bullshit. This is some bullshit. When it comes to the traffic, bro, I can't go nowhere. The traffic sucks. It's horrible. It's horrible. But like I said, I'm about to chill. Then afterwards, I'm gonna take a shower. We're gonna go get something to eat. And we're gonna enjoy this day. Tomorrow's gonna be when we actually have a good productive day. Today we're only here for half the day. So I'm trying to enjoy being here while I can. All right, now we about to, so she locked it. We about to go get some food right now. Hey, let me show you the little nighttime view. This dog has been out here barking at himself for a minute. Look at this, like pink over there. It's like pinkish. This is a great view nonetheless. I don't know what we about to eat. We about to eat something good though. You know how it is. The only thing with Miami, like I said, bro, this traffic is crazy. I don't know how long it's gonna take us to get food, but we're gonna figure it out nonetheless. Getting air in the fucking tire. Then we about to go get some food. Damn tired, you know? I love you, car, but sometimes you little bitch. It's a nice day though. All right, right now we about to head to the Lickin'. Is this shit closed? No, it's not. We about to head to the Lickin'. If you've ever been to Miami, more than likely you know what the Lickin' is. If you don't, it's just like a wing spot. Just something that Miami, just people like to eat down here. It's nothing crazy if I'm being honest. If you've never had it before, it's cool. I say it's cool to try it, just to try it, but we about to go grab that. It's about 15 minutes away. We ordered it. We gonna go there, and then, yeah, we gonna come back to the crib. Overall, it looks nice out here. We're over here in Edgewater, Miami. I'm not sure if you can see it in the background, like the buildings and everything, but it's nice here. It's a very nice area. Some churros. Churros ice cream. Churro, this is looking kind of fancy. I ain't gonna lie. Fancy churros. Everybody, this is where the vlog is gonna be coming to an end. I'm not even gonna go outside. I was gonna go outside to end the vlog, but honestly, it's dark as shit out there. You're not gonna see anything, so I'm just gonna come to the kitchen where you can see me all nice and clear. It's a great view outside, but nonetheless, I wanna get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're gonna be active 9:30, back to the regular scheduled program. We're gonna wake up early, wake up, give value, create content, trade with the team, and rinse and repeat. Just the regular work week until Wednesday when we actually go back home and I do it all again from Tampa. But nonetheless, hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. I didn't do too much crazy today. Today was a chill day for the most part, just trying to get settled in everything. But tomorrow, the real work begins. We can make some money, we might lose some money, but at the end of the day, we're gonna follow the process that has gotten us to this point. That's all it's about. So if you wanna learn how to trade, free course, free trading webinars, all of that stuff in the description. If you wanna join VIP to get access to like-minded individuals, over 25 hours of recordings when it comes to money, mindset, trading, business, join VIP. I'm gonna see you all in the morning. Stay safe. Have a great night.